Hey guys, so I'm gonna pop this up right there. Yeah. So today we are reacting to my video. It's supposed to have a name. I haven't given it a name yet, but it's the noise canceling headphones. So yeah, let's see how I did. Hey guys, so today we are doing noise canceling headphones challenge thingy, but with Disney songs. So the two songs I'm doing are Do You Want to Build a Snowman and How Far I'll Go from Frozen and Moana. Well, they are from Disney, but anyways, let's get started. First, we're going to start off with Moana. How Far I'll Go. Glitchy, Jesus. Sorry if I sound like an idiot. You may be able to hear it. I sound horrible on camera. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Are you kidding me? Every turn I take, every trail I try, like every path I make, every road leads back to a place I know where I cannot go, would I long to be. What is that face? A light where the sign meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. But I find myself on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. Jesus, I hate this. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. That's what it's supposed to be. I can live this pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sing the different song. What is wrong with me? The light where the sign meets the sea, it climbing. Climbing. The Lord knows how deep it goes. And the names like it's calling out to me, so come find me. One day they'll know. If that's on that line, will I cross that line? The sign meets the sea, and meets the sea, it blows me. And no one knows how far it goes. Look at that face! And the sign of myself on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know far I'll go. Okay, that was horrible. That was that one. So now let's do. That was that one. Do you want to build a snowman? Do you? You want to build a snowman? Okay, I'm done. So, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, the side's gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish I could tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Don't let them show. Yeah, this was the part where it's like that morning period. Do you want to build a snowman? Like around the halls. I think this company is overdue. I've started talking to the picture on the wall. Hang in there, Joe. It gets a little lonely. This is like it slowed down. Like, I don't remember this. Rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. My computer died. Yeah, my computer messed up. So let's retry that part. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Now you can't change me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. I'm sorry, I had to add that in there. I've been watching you, and I think of you. I want to be your lady. Well, let's end it on this funny note. Yeah. Well, anyways, sorry for this horrible quality. I'm probably not going to post that video because it has horrible quality, like I said. But you got to see it on this video, so. So, yeah. So, anyways, I will post it, but, I mean, still looks horrible. So, anyways, this was me reacting to my noise canceling headphones video. Well, anyways, yeah, that went horrible, as you can tell. Well, anyways, the question of the day, as I said in this video, the other video I just recorded, is, I almost said be happy, but that's not a question. But yeah, do be happy. What is your favorite song? And if you answer that question, you might get a shout out in next video. Well, anyways, that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and a peace.